Well, sorry to interrupt you, but there's some big breaking news which is coming in regarding the controversy over cracker ban. Well, the Delhi Environment Minister of the Aam Aadmi Party, Gopal Rai, has said that there are some people from the opposition who want to fulfill their political ambitions by linking the cracker bursting to religion. Remember, there has been a massive debate which has been kicked off, where there are those who are saying there should be a complete ban on lighting crackers, despite the fact that the Supreme Court itself had said that a complete ban is not possible. Now, interestingly, there's a political twist which has been given by the Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai, who says that there are opposition leaders who are trying to fulfill their political ambitions by linking the cracker bursting to religion. Remember, there are those who have said that bursting crackers is part of Diwali, it's part of one of the customs of Diwali, which is why a complete ban is not desirable. However, now there's this reaction which is coming in, which makes the entire cracker ban controversy, gives it a political twist. So let me go across to Prashant, who's joining us with more details. We'll just get you the soundbite of Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai. But this is very significant, Prashant, goes to show how it's completely now political. It's about religion, politics, as well as Diwali.
Well, that's right, Meghna. In fact, every year when crackers are banned in the national capital, we see protests actually erupting here in the national capital. But if you listen to what Environment Minister Mr. Gopal Rai has said, he is saying that perhaps there are some people in the opposition who are trying to link the cracker ban with religion, but it's the same people they go on to see the AQI level that remains to be the best in the past 5 years during Diwali, and that is the reason why we should not be bursting crackers. So clearly, when it has become political, it also has environmental ramification, and that's the reason that crackers are banned, is what the government says.
Well, do stay on with us. Let's listen into the exact words of Gopal Rai.
इसको त्योहार को, पटाखों को धर्म से जोड़ करके और अपनी राजनीतिक महत्वाकांक्षा के लिए इस प्रदूषण की लड़ाई को कमजोर करने की भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं। मेरी उन लोगों से भी हाथ जोड़ करके विनती है, दिल्ली वालों के बच्चों की जिंदगी से मत खेलिए अपनी राजनीति के लिए। दिल्ली वालों के बुजुर्गों की जिंदगी से मत खेलिए अपनी राजनीति के लिए। राजनीति के लिए बहुत सारे मुद्दे पड़े हैं। दिल्ली वालों ने सबको काम करने का अवसर दिया है। काम करिए और काम की राजनीति करिए।